My beautiful Nadiya, you have made me the happiest man in the world by becoming my wife. You make me a better man every single day. You're what's held my broken pieces together when it seemed as if my world was crumbling down.
Michael, we did it. 1 year of being married, and it's been so beautiful. Who would have thought us two would be standing up here sharing our love? The one thing that stands out to me is how passionate you are. That is something I will forever appreciate and love about you.
Through the good and the bad, happy and sad, you've kept me going.
You loved me with no fear and protect me so graciously that I began to truly love myself and believe I deserve someone like you.
If we were to begin this life all over again, I know I would be led back to you.
I need it when I'm falling apart and bury my head in your hands and heart. I come undone. Want you close to me, close to me, close to me, oh close to me.
I promise to always stand beside you and show our daughter what real love is.
I'm ready to continue sharing the rest of my life with you and our baby girl.
Your honesty would throw me a line. It took me by surprise, but I don't mind anymore. I'm wrestling with graceful poise and straining just to hear your voice in the noise. But you're close to me, close to me, close to me, oh close to me. When I don't have the words to
We got mom and spirit here.
Michael, Dave's gonna kick your ass.
I wish you love, happiness, forever, and I love you guys.
Back to Michael, I'm so thankful that my daughter found true love. We don't have to worry about anything. Me and David, it feels so good. You know, knowing that Nadiya has a good husband.
You know, you're my best friend. And I'm always appreciate you. No matter what the ups and downs are, you're my brother, man.
You guys are a perfect example of a great love, and I love you guys so much.
Whatever you guys need, we're here for you. That's what family's for.
Love you guys.
So, I just want to thank you guys for embracing.
Oh, you want to share?
I want to thank you guys for embracing him and bringing him into your hearts and your family.